Hey guys, I just wanted to start my channel off by making a Genesis Coupe modification video. I have the 2012 Genesis Coupe 2.0T and I was just going to change my fog lights into these LED fog lights that I bought. These are Lost Fit LED lighting fog lights that I bought from Amazon actually. And it's from Amazon.ca, and if you open this, you get some papers inside. And these are the lights themselves. They're pretty clean, crisp. They actually are very sturdy as well. They're all metal. That's the LEDs. If it decides to focus on it. And there's the connector. It's just like a pigtail connector. And I'll be showing you how to install it into the actual fog light housing. So first thing you want to do is take the clip off of your negative terminal on your battery, and you can do that with just a 10mm socket, and you just put it to the side just like that so it doesn't touch. And then we're going to actually come down to the actual fog light housing, and we're going to check what we need to actually get to it. So there are these screws that are, one's right over here, and the other one is right over here. So there's just two locations, one over here and one over there. And it's just easy. You take a Phillips screwdriver and you're just going to unscrew it, and then we'll be right back. So since this place is such low to the ground, you can jack up the car, but what I decided to use was one of these so that I can actually get under here and unscrew the screw just from right here without jacking up the car at all. And as you can see, the two bulbs are, and my light went out. So, damn sensors. Okay, there you go. So, just come right down, and here's where one screw is, and there's where the other one is, and this flap comes down just like that, and the fog light housing would be just up there. So over here, you're gonna lift this up. Sorry for all the dirtiness, but the fog light housing is actually just right there. And that clip right there that you see, the gray, is what you're gonna unplug before you can get the bulb actually out of the housing. So we're gonna do that right now, and I'll come right back. What I do to take this out is you're gonna hold these two black pieces on the sides, you're gonna push it in, and you're just gonna pull out this way, and then it'll come out just like that. And then from here, you take the bulb, and you're gonna, let's put that out of the way, you're gonna twist it to the left like that, and it should come out, just like that. And that's your halogen bulb, right over there. You're gonna take your LED bulb, which is right here, and you're just gonna do the complete opposite. You're just gonna plug it in, and you're gonna twist to the left this time. Like before, you twisted the whole bulb to the counterclockwise. This time you're gonna turn the bulb clockwise to actually screw it in. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll show you how to connect the wires to the plug. All of the housing. That's how it sits in the housing. It is a little out, but it still fits in snugly and it doesn't really move anywhere. So I'm just going to try it out like that and see how it works. And then the connection itself, as you can see, it just goes straight into there. I kind of just did trial and error for the positive and negative. Like the red wire is positive, black wire is negative. I just went trial and error, and I actually got it for the first time. So that worked out for me. And on to the next one. I'm just going to show you how it looks. These are just my HIDs, and then I'm just going to turn the fog lights on now, and you can see how the fog light is much brighter than the halogen one itself. So that's the LED, and that's the halogen. And so that's how it looks like with my HID, which is 6000K, and then that's the normal halogen over there, and then same thing over here, 6000K. And then that's my LED over here. And so you can see it's actually a pretty nice illumination. Both of them are installed now. There's the right side and there's the left side. This one was a little tricky because this one plug was not coming out, so I had to squish my hand through this little spot and put it in. I managed to get it in, and now I have LED fog lights, and as you can see, they shine a lot actually. I'll just show it to you one more time by me turning them off and turning them on again, just so you can have a better visualization. I'll actually close the hood so you can actually see a little more. So these are with the fogs on, that's off, on and off. So they're pretty bright. And I'll have the video up later on with actual nighttime performance, so you can actually see how far they shine and how they look in the actual dark outside on the streets. And yeah, well, that'll be it for this video on how to install LED fog lights. And I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something from it. And I'll see you next time on my next video. Take care.